All right, so number 3, I'm going to cover number 3 today. You have a circle, and inside that circle you have a right triangle, right? So you want to find the area of the shaded region. So in this case, the shaded region would be this portion that's around the right triangle. So you want to find that area. So in this case, you have a full circle, and you need to take away the area of the triangle. So what I suggest you guys do is first find the area of the circle. So to find the area of the circle, the area of the circle is pi times r squared. And they give us the radius. So this is times the radius to the second power. The radius in this case is 19 inches. So all you really have to do is substitute the value for r, which is 19, into the formula. So you have pi times 19 inches to the second power, right? So far so good. So we're gonna do this right here. 19 to the second power. How much is that? So that you can easily do it on your calculator, whether it's on your computer or anywhere else. You have 19 times 19. That gives you 361. So that gives you pi times 361 square inches, right? And now you have 361 times pi. So how much is that? Let's go back to our calculator. So 361 times 3.14. That's going to give you 1,133.5. So that's 1,133.5 square inches. That's the area of the circle. So that's just the area of the circle. Now we need to figure out how much we're going to subtract from this entire area of the circle. So that means we have to find the area of that triangle. So the area of the triangle, we're going to do that up here. The area of the triangle, that's going to be equal to base times the height divided by 2, right? So in this case, the base is 18 inches. It's at the bottom. The height is 35. So we're going to replace. The base is 18 inches. Multiply that by the height, which is 35 inches, and then divide that by 2. So we're going to multiply the numerator, right? 18 times 35. That's going to give us 18 times 35. That's 360 square inches, right? That's, 630 square inches. Divide that by 2. So if you divide that by 2, that means that the area of the triangle will give you, let's divide that by 2, divided by 2. 315 square inches. So this is not, we're not finished with finding just these two areas, right? So you need to subtract this area from this area, because it shows us right there. It's the area of the triangle is being taken away from the area of the circle. That way we're only left with the shaded region. So right here, we need to subtract the area. So we're going to find the area of the shaded region is equal to the area of the circle, which is 1,133.5, minus the area of the triangle that we're going to take away, 315, and that's going to give us, so we're going to subtract. So we have 315 minus 1133.5. Don't worry about the negative. That's going to give us 818.5 square inches. Sorry. There you go. And that is your answer. This is the area of the shaded region. So what I recommend is first find the area of the total of the larger figure, right? And then find the area of the smaller figure that's going to be subtracted from the larger. So we found the area of the circle, then the area of the triangle, and then we subtracted the areas, and that gave us the area of the shaded region. And that's pretty much the same thing for the rest of the exercises.